kayong susuko, Cancer, no? Kung ano man 'tong mga pagsubok yan, eh, yung mga namba-backstab na yan, sinusubukan lang din kayo yan kung hanggang saan kayo, eh, right? So, wag kang susuko, wag mong ipapakita sa kanila na matatalo ka ng mga ginagawa nila. So, laban ka lang, no, mga Cancer, no? 'Di ba? Marireach mo rin yung goal mo soon, right? Basta, ayun, no, naputol yung ating video, no? So, yan, no, magkayong susuko, no? Reach your goal, no? So, yeah, that's it, no, mga Cancer. And let's see anong possible lucky numbers nyo within this week, no? Or kung may color tayong makuha for you, mga Cancer natin. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here, no, mga Cancer. So, 3 cards for you, Cancer. So, tignan natin yan. So, you have 44, no? So, for some of you, this is also an angel number, no? 44, no? You can you can check it out, no, sa Google, no, to see what's your angel guides, no, message for you, no, mga Cancer natin, right? So, what else? So, you have gold, no? Meron kayong kulay, no? So, you have color gold. You have gold, no? So, what else? So, you have 60, right? No? So, yan, no, mga Cancer. So, again, no, repeatedly, no, kung makakita kayo ng ganitong mga numbers repeatedly, is you will receive something na positive news, good news, no? Something like that, no? So, within this week, no, pag nakakita kayo ng repeatedly numbers like this, no, within this week, no, and you will receive some good news, no? And with this gold, no, maybe, pwede kayo magsuot ng, kung may gold kayo, o jewelry, no, isuot nyo, no, within this week to attract positivity, right? No? So, maganda, meron kayong kulay din dito, no? So, you have gold, no? So, yeah, that's it, no, mga Cancer. So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice for you ni Universe, no, Cancer. So, kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Cancer. Message or advice for you ni Universe. So, what is this? So, yan, no, mga Cancer natin dyan. So, you have this, in touch with your body, no? So, sinasabi dito, no, ni Universe, no, ina-advise kayo na to nourish yourself, no, eat healthy foods, no, mag-detox, no, something like that, no, eat fruits, no, kailangan nyo talaga ay siguro din